Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? Today I have one Volkswagen Golf. This car have a problem. You can see check coolant, this warning light came, and sometimes this temperature light up down like this. That's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem, this warning light and temperature up and down sometime. How you can solve, today I will show you. Here is the car. Open car bonnet. Here is the engine room. So customer told me he already replaced water pump and everything, and he already replaced this coolant water bottle. Okay, and then also same problem, nothing happened, everything is same. So then I check everything. I check here temperature sensor wire, and here and there everything I check. I didn't get any fault. And then I check here in this wire. You can see this is perfect, but if you check this one, see this wire damage, see inside, and that's the problem. That's why this warning light came. See here, you can see when I remove, everything is damaged inside, and that's the problem. Okay, thank you. If your car have same problem, check this wire. Okay, now you can see I fix it properly, wiring and this socket, everything. Okay, and then now I will show you. There is no, before when ignition on, warning light came. Now you can see here I on ignition, but there is no warning light for coolant temperature. Okay, great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.